Um, Hey guys, so today I'll just show you guys a trick on some of these PS5 fans. So obviously the fan is not working, so yeah. So when I'm having this issue here, what usually happens is that like here in Cape Town, we're getting close to winter, so it's very cold. So the moisture gets in and then tend to break the traces. So I'm just trying to see if I can get an angle where it's not too dark. Okay, I think that's a little bit better. So these traces here tend to break. As you can see there is that, okay, let me zoom in so you see what's happening. Yeah, so these traces here tend to break. So as I'll just demonstrate here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, as you can see there. So now if this blade will go through there, they just test. Okay, now we have a good trace there. Let's see how far it goes. So as you can see there, there's a break in the trace on the line. So over there's nothing. Okay, let me just bring my multimeter over here so you can hear it at least. We have trace there, we have continuity, and over here we've got nothing. So most likely that's the issue there. Let's just zoom out. Just want to make a point, there is an angle where you test also. So when you come all the way down here, the lighting is not really ideal. But yeah, I hope you can see there. Okay, there is this diode here. Let's see. Well, that over there. Let's see if this camera will go even further. Yeah, there we go. So this diode here, there is this one, this two diode, there is this one, and this guy here. So this one here is connected to the line that we're testing now. Okay, could also even be more broken traces there to this line here. And the other diode, this line goes to this guy over here. So I'll just do a test for you. Okay, we'll put this guy there, over there, and we'll spin it around, and we'll come over here, and we'll touch there. Okay, hopefully I'm touching the right one there. Okay, so now let's see, because I need to find the angle. Okay, so where are we? Okay, let me see if I'll be able to touch there. Yeah, as you can see there. So now we're making contact. So this line is the broken line. So let's just see if soldering this line here will fix this fan. angle will be tight, but let's just see. Soldering wire. Okay, so you just take your solder wire and so you just add some solder here. Just thin it a little bit. You won't be able to see because everything is just too tight there. But let's just see. Okay, hopefully it made contact. It's not really, the angle is just too tight. I'm just trying to cut this thing. Ah, yeah, I pushed too hard. I pushed too hard. I pushed too hard. It was a simple job that just became a headache. Okay, I think we have to change the strategy there. We have to change the strategy. People Cape Town. There's some crazy people out there. Okay. Okay, let me find another wire, something that will be easy to break. Okay, let's need to think. Okay, this won't be pretty. Okay, so I think we're making contact there. Now let's try to break this wire. Without causing any further damages. blade that I usually, okay, there's just not enough space. This one go there. No, it won't do it. Okay, let's see if this is gonna work. Okay. Hopefully we didn't break another trace there. Let's see. Okay, so that's good enough for now. Let's test and see that we're not bridging here. Okay, we're not bridging. That's good. So now we need to test those 2 points. Okay, so we'll touch there, and then I have to spin it around and see if we're making contact there. Okay, so now we're making contact over there. Okay, let's test this one here, and I'll touch the other point. So yeah, both points are making contacts now. Let's just see if this is going to work. Make some space. Here's the Ps5. Okay. Let's see if it's going to work. Okay, we've got power. It hasn't spun yet. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 0. There we go. Okay, it is working. However, despite it working, I'll still replace it. This is just a hack if you pinch, but we have to put another one in there. So, yeah, at least you know you can do it, but I'll always advise to replace, put another one in there. This I was just showing you guys, but replace it. That's my advice to you. You can fix some of them, some can be fixed, some can be fixed, and others can be fixed. As you can see, this one is working, but it's spinning faster. It's not supposed to run at this speed here when the console is on high though. So, thanks for watching.